Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing the legal, professional, and policy frameworks that govern the pharmacy profession in South Africa. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to stay in the loop with medical and pharmacy news. And if you're new here, consider following for more updates. So let's talk about the different frameworks that govern the practice of pharmacy in South Africa. But before we get into that, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. For specific professional or legal advice, please consult with the relevant governing bodies or professionals. The legal framework provides the foundation. The professional guidelines set the standards and policies provide the context within which pharmacists must operate. Please feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Together, they form a comprehensive system designed to protect patients and advance the pharmacy profession in South Africa. The Pharmacy Act established the South African Pharmacy Council, which is the statutory regulator for pharmacy. These guidelines ensure that pharmacists maintain competency and act with integrity, which are crucial for patient safety and well-being. In addition to the legal and professional frameworks, pharmacists in South Africa also need to be aware of the policy guidelines that govern the healthcare system. One such policy is the National Drug Policy, which aims to, among other things, improve access to essential medicines and control the prices of those medicines. Other broader health policies, such as the proposed National Health Insurance (NHI) policies, are also relevant. These policies could significantly impact how pharmacists deliver services to patients in the future. It defines the scope of practice for pharmacists and pharmacy assistants, sets minimum requirements for registration, and sets out rules for professional conduct. The Medicines Act, on the other hand, controls the classification, sale, and dispensing of medicines, which directly impacts what pharmacists can provide to patients. Now, the pharmacy profession in South Africa is governed by a multi-layered framework that includes legal, professional, and policy guidelines. Let's break down each of these. Starting with the legal framework, the Pharmacy Act 51 of 1974 and the Medicines and Related Substances. Act 101 of 1965 are the cornerstone. Moving on to the professional level, the SAPC issues guidelines, ethical rules and standards that pharmacists must adhere to in their daily practice. In essence, all these legal, professional, and policy frameworks work together to ensure that pharmacists in South Africa practice safely and effectively. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative.